Django Server Error. Port is already in use. Restarting the Django server displays the following error. This problem occurs specifically on Ubuntu and not other operating systems. How can I free up the port to restart the server?
A more simple solution, just type sudo fuserk 8000/tcp. This should kill all the processes associated with port 8000. Edit. For OS X users you can use sudo softi tcp column 8000, zargs kill -9.
It will show something like this. So now just close the port in which Django/Python running already by killing the process associated with it. In my case. Now run your Django app.
By default, the run server command starts the development server on the internal IP at port 8000. If you want to change the server's port, pass it as a command line argument. For instance, this command starts the server on port 8080.
If you want to say more, please continue to subscribe.